Hey yo, web traveler! It is Maiden Party, the next set, finally! Set number 5 then, I guess? I don't know which number it is. I think it's number 5. And it's been a while. I honestly thought we will never see Maiden Party again. And here we are. I'm gonna leave the links in the video description from the sellers that I bought it from. I haven't seen the cards yet, but I can guarantee you, you don't want to miss this out. Because man, those sets were always beautiful, amazing and awesome to open. I don't know if I'm gonna be satisfied with one box. That's what I'm gonna find out right now, and you are gonna find out it with me. Oh man, look at this, the design, they are back. Damn, we're starting strong already. I got a promo card in here. I don't know if you can see it that well, but it's freaking amazing. Goddamn. All right, then we have an SSR. All right, Ryutsukatsuki, thank you text. Those are freaking large, man. I mean, let's do just straight up the Big Booba contest, because that's the box to do it with, you know. Damn, then we have a SR, Formidable. I don't know if that's her name or they just slapped a random English word to there, but doesn't matter. Sussex, okay. It's getting more weird, what can I say? The large boobas though, damn. And that's Keiko Hoshino. Don't know where she is from. It doesn't say it at the back in the text that I can understand. Alright, so each pack would have a promo card. BR rarity, that's awesome. I love that. I love that very much. Damn. Damn girl, look at this. I love this. Oh my god, boys, get on it. I told you this is not the set that you wanna miss out. God damn, son, look at those. They're amazing. I love it. I am in love. I am even more in love now, you know. I don't know why some I display and some I don't, but we're gonna look at her ass now for the rest of the freaking video. Alright. Holy shit, boy. That's definitely the largest so far. God damn it. Okay, the large booba would be like there. I'm curious to see something special. Ooh, ultra rare. Alright, awesome. But same vibes as promo card. Same vibes as PR. Same kind of shine, so doesn't really feel special, I guess. But whatever. I mean, both of them are freaking awesome, so I'm not complaining about that. That's a nice shine there, and I'm not gonna ruin fun for those who don't know. So enjoy her ass. Enjoy it. What do we have here? Urawa Hanako. I've seen this face before, but I don't know where. Milkers, boy. Those milkers. I think that's a double. Then more asses. Let's go. S in bikini, awesome. Alright, ultra rare. Ooh, first SSR double, that's rough. Didn't want to see it that fast, but maybe it will be the only one. Ooh, Miku. The shine bikini, awesome. And then another double. I mean, SR doubles I expect to get, but not... Oh my god, I already know that we get Rias. I just think about how can I open so that the best cards are saved for the last. Kitagawa Marin. Very demure. Very wholesome. If my camera will focus, thank you. We have Nero from Fate. Not that much pixels, but it's still Nero, thank you. And Ria's Grammary. With her pants off, wow. And then we have a double, alright, a double, alright, a double, alright, not a double. With large boobas, alright, and a double, alright. A double, alright, a double, alright, a double, alright. I don't remember this one, and I definitely didn't see this one. Girl, what are you filming there? Huh, what? Okay, alright. Yacht. Who the fuck is Yacht and where can I see this video? Ooh, the amount of doubles from SR is a little bit baffling. It's getting at the like more uncomfortable side, but it's still awesome. Alright, at the amount of other rarities that got doubles is also getting up there, you know. I can't be bothered to do every time this switch. With the card we have another Fate character. I don't know how to say her name. Then we have Ganyu, which is freaking awesome. Alright, then holy moly, who is that? Triste? What the fuck are you on about? Who is that? Alright, we have Prince Eugen and this chick. I haven't seen the rarity above ultra rare at this point, so I'm very curious to see what we can get. Alright, ultra rare, nice. SSR of the VTuber, I think, nice. Then we have a very beautiful woman, another beautiful woman, and all of women are beautiful. Another ultra rare. So guys, if you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing for more openings and leave a like and a comment. Oh damn, she lasted. Yo, MR, let's go, new rarity. But same shit for me. It doesn't feel more special than ultra rare or promo card. It's an awesome card, but for some reason it doesn't really feel as, you know, as the mega hit. So I think your execution could be a little bit better. Just, you know, between the cards, that the NR, that's another rarity, but it just looks exact the same as the other one, you know. I understand that it's difficult. I'm already very happy with the quality of those cards. The quality is good. ZR, let's go. Something special again. I think that's the biggest hit yet. We have 3 packs left. Don't forget the yo, another rarity. Although they all almost look the same, but I enjoy this Bonga. Definitely contested for Big Booba. Alright. 2 packs left. The links, don't forget about the links, because I think you would want to buy this. Look at this CC. Look at her. So cute and beautiful. Amazing. Dude, how much can I get? Alright, last pack. And then we're gonna take a look at the Big Booba contestants and choose which one. Oh my god, let's go to be or not to be. I love that. Okay, alright, and of course the doubles. So the Big Booba contestants, alright. Then we have this, then we have those milkers, we have those, and we have those. So definitely these 2, 3, alright, so it's between those 3. But she has her arm below it, so they look bigger than they are in reality. And I think this one has larger boobas, because this camera angle is a little bit below, so they are gonna appear a little bit bigger than they are in reality. Her boobas are almost the same size as those, but the camera angle is just from above, meaning the boobs will appear a little bit smaller than they are. So that's the reasoning why I think those milkers take the freaking trophy of the Big Booba of this opening. Hello web travelers, thank you for watching till the end. You're a freaking legend if you did that, and I will see you in another one.